morning dear students. Today we will learn about the plant vascular system. We know that plant consists of the two parts, the shoot and the root. In the shoot you know that the leaves and the branches are present, and as a all the plants they are made up of the cells that are organized into tissue system, and the different parts of the plants they have the different function. You know that some of the parts, some of the organs that are involved in the transpiration, some are involved in the food synthesizing, some are involved in the some of the parts they are involved in the water absorption. So there are the different organs that are the shoot, stems and the leaves, and all of these organs they are made up of the different type of tissue, that is the ground tissue, vascular tissue and the dermal tissue. Ground tissue that includes the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Vascular tissue that includes the xylem and phloem, and that are basically involved with the absorption of the food material and the water. Now the dermal tissue that is involved with the protection of the plant. Now the plant tissue that are of the two type, meristematic and the permanent. Meristematic tissues that are made up of, that are capable of the cell divisions, they can continuously they are continuously going under the divisions. And the permanent tissue, they are the mature cells that are incapable of the cell division. Now the permanent tissue that is are also of the two types, simple and the complex. Simple tissue that are composed of the single cell types, whereas the complex tissue that are composed of the more than of the one type cell. Simple tissue that includes the parenchyma, collenchyma and the sclerenchyma, and the complex tissue that are the xylem and the phloem. Xylem you know that is made up of the four components, xylem vessels, tracheids, parenchyma and the fibers. Phloem that are made up of the sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Now there are basically three type of the plant tissue, that are the parenchymatous cells, that is the basic cells, and the collenchymatous cells that provide the mechanical support and that are involved with the flexibility of the plant tissues. Third one is the sclerenchyma tissue, that the function of the sclerenchyma tissue is basically that are with the for the mechanical support. Now the plant tissue, dermal tissue, that is the skin, that includes the epidermis, single epidermis in non-woody plants and the periderm in the woody plants. Vascular tissue, the circular vascular tissues that are the xylem and the phloem. Xylem and the ground tissue that are involved with the photosynthesis and the storage. You can see these diagrams. Now basically we will study about the xylem and the phloem. In xylem there is one way flow, that is water and minerals that are absorbed in the roots and that are translocated to the other parts, whereas in the phloem that can be the two-way flow, because food are synthesized in the leaves and that are transported to the other parts of the plants. Now the vascular tissue, the xylem that is made up of the tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. You can see the diagrams here. Now all the cells they are different from each other because all of them they perform the different functions.